Top stories. State government won't accept CA Bill 2016 unless assent to Manipur People's Bill is given, assures Chief Minister Anne Birren. People from different sections of society come forward to raise voice against CA Bill 2016. And CCTV cameras to be installed at various places in Moreh to monitor thefts and other illegal activities. Good evening, you're watching Times of Manipur. Now the news in detail. CM Anne Birren handed over newly constructed Imam Market building at Zafo Bazar and 3 other projects to the people of Chandel district today. Works Minister T.H. Biswajit, CAF and PD Minister Karam Shyam, MLA of Tamenglong Assembly Constituency Samuel Zendai Kamai and top-ranking officials of civil and police departments attended the inaugural function of the Imam Market building and various other projects. The completed projects which were handed over to people were Imam Market building at Chandel, drinking water revival scheme, boys hostel of Maha Union Higher Secondary School and boys hostel for Larong High School. He also laid foundation stone for transit accommodation for doctors and teachers at Chandel and Chapikarong and upgradation project of Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya. Addressing the gathering at the inaugural function, the Chief Minister said, "Understanding among the people of various communities is very important in order to bring about equitable development in the state."
Human-oriented weba. Singi silau sing sandelgi. Laying naba honaba the waba. Somda angang bu lairik taman gadra bam lau surga isa lairik taman gadra isa laying gadra na tragana book tanan bachana no gi hona gadra highway wari ba mayam do. Madugi ne koina hek sarkar pairakpa kanda awaba sing Manipur dagi lairaba sing hana moisi motat kadabani awaba lehalloidabani yum sadaba sing yum sagadabani anaba layeng ba ngamjadaba sing do sarkar na pira free da layeng hangidabani habagi scheme me koina lokat krid.
Talking to media on the sideline of the inaugural function of Imam Market building and various other projects, Chief Minister Anne Birren reaffirmed state government's stand against CA Bill 2016. The Chief Minister said the state government will never accept the CA Bill unless assent to the Manipur People's Bill is given.
Aikoigi Manipur gi shida exemption clause ma Manipur gi damta hapio Manipur da soi habegi maduma or second, I call Manipur Miam na sahi kun kuntradi talakpa Manipur People's Bill. Sisima SNP view have been anisine. On a quick stand, government stand is very clear. I call gi protect Tonganaba indigenous population to protect Tonganaba close half will be against the bill.
People from different sections of the society are coming forward to raise their voice against the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016.
More sections of the society are coming forward to express their resentment against the Citizenship Amendment Bill. More sections of the society are coming forward to express their resentment against the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016. Senior citizens resented the bill passed by the Parliament, saying that the bill will have negative impact on the state. Citizens of Northeast, including Manipur, have gone into the state of panic after the Parliament passed the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016. People from various sections of the society are coming forward to raise their voice against the bill, despite the statement made by Chief Minister Anne Birren that the government wouldn't act against the will of the people. However, fear and uncertainty still prevail among the people.
Masi yamna aruba Manipur northeastern states da masi yamna aruba people mo kadra hai masi khoina hitang mipai ama pokche
hoi sahi taruk hai basidi yam tieng garaba matamni maduguma miri paidra leiramani haba maduda mohi khudong sabadu pithokhragedi khogi sira mangjara kadu basidi yam gra tungda future da mangjara kadu porisidi yam grabajani
The indigenous peoples of Northeast state indigenous people masida akaiba malakani masi totally aibu haijau haragadi masi totally is a bullshit idea from current government of BJP and I hijauning
mito pangchang changhan bai se masi ya thokpa pamde maram de khoi gi su kano se han leijari ba yelho mi hai tare ko masi masing yamjadabani na si kannanabagi wakhalon dane
khoi gi center da pan ba singsina ai khoi gi somgi maitei gumba kari gumba yamna apikpa group si moina kitang handana yengba gumba masi manghina bagi budhi gumba manba khara oina paunei aduna ni hoging mayamna piendaba mayam tawripsi.
Some senior citizens of Manipur opine that the bill will be a destructive blow on Manipur with small indigenous population belonging to various communities in the state.
Center na ko parliament na mo gi shok tabanina aso state sing di shok tabanina masi akoi Northeastern gi state tarel ni pala se punjalaga masi oppose to ho darkar wai
ba bill sigi tawri bisa sigi akoi chu pamde hai tare.
Meanwhile, Khurai Lamlong Kaithel Nupi Loop staged a protest against Citizenship Amendment Bill at Lamlong Market today. Protesters held placards reading "Withdraw CA Bill 2016. The bill should not be passed in Rajya Sabha." General Secretary of the Loop said they can't accept the bill and it shouldn't be implemented in the Northeast region. The government should urge the centre not to pass the bill in Rajya Sabha.
Akogi laibak seida LPS ki irang laina dagi amu akogi schedule ta schedule kaski sigi matang se chauna lairinge se mito mian changchang moi lai se sigma pass ta ragadi masin aya basi Rajya Sabha yona pithok ke dan ekta olak pata ragadi hoji akoi si aroiba khongjang lagadi misi mina suki mati thorkani madu khoi pamjade hoji satra na haron ji parekha matamni metric parekha hayeng dangai re school gi matam kona matam ming janba matam laik tamba matam kona maxi mang iba matam se akoi gi mangjabani akoi gi ilai paksi gi mangjabani atop.
Police resorted to firing tear gas shells at Hatta, while members of All Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization tried to burn effigy of PM Narendra Modi around 2 p.m. Tough confrontation occurred between security force and protesters.
Down, down, BJP! Down, down, BJP! Down, down, BJP!
CCTV cameras are going to be installed at different places in border town Moreh to check illegal activities and unwanted incidents. Officials have started conducting survey to see where to install the CCTV cameras. The officials have inspected important places like Kondong Lerembi on Imphal Moreh Road and important roads from Sikkim along the highway to install the cameras. This will help in checking thefts and other unwanted incidents. However, there is no report on when the cameras will get operational. It may be mentioned that many have expressed the need for installation of CCTV camera in Moreh. We'll take a short break. Stay tuned.
Mahindra Tractor Showroom now monsoon season lakpada monsoon offer pijiri India da Saba Annapurna domestic mini rice mill amadi grinder akaknaba matam kharagi oina company na offer price ta yamda phanganjari ho sangbai ma takpada electric prepaid ta supnataki lupa ni makhai mai jai besan morok yangang marumarang hawai makhal sul takpa yaraba grinder su phangbiragani rice mill da phau pudra seng takpagi awaba leitraba yumgi sangoi kasin amada hillaga isana phau takchaba yaraba cheng wai manghandraba cheng khainadraba Annapurna domestic rice mill ni akupa marol gidamak link sinbirau Mahindra Tractor Showroom Malom Bazaar pijariba offer price ki khudong saba simyamna lawi ho akaknaba matam khara khaktan.
Welcome to Aryan Furniture House. Manipur da sajaba quality maintain tawraba makhal kayagi furniture items sing suna fanghanjari adongi apamba makhal gi furniture items sing khanbiyu lengsin birau Aryan Furniture House Hata Minuthong.
Welcome back. Imphal West District, Imphal East District Police continued cordon and search operations ahead of the Republic Day celebrations in Imphal. Here's a report.
In the state, Imphal West District and Imphal East District Police Commandos continued cordon and search operation at various places in Imphal this morning. CDO Bazaar unit led by additional SP Ops T.H. Krishnatombi conducted combing operation at Uripok Machin Hindu Hotel and surrounding areas of Kasturi Bridge. The operation was conducted from 7:50 a.m. to 9 a.m. In all, 427 persons were verified, while 25 persons, including non-locals and others, were picked up for further verification.
Normal routine. Amagi wa amon naite akori bazaar city ngakpa mayam gi bazaar jingda disap tawriba mayam ama kusirasi tawriba mayam ama nampu hapu tawba mayam jingje suma mayam jingje kai mayam ya suma mayam jingje sep tawno bagi tamkene khone toy thabakje.
A team of Imphal East District Police under the supervision of Deputy SP Ops Thankho Chon Haukip conducted similar operation at Kairao Bitra Awang Laikai under the jurisdiction of Irilbung Police Station. The police team led by OC Kogen conducted the search operation from 5:45 to 7 this morning. Altogether, 174 persons were verified. However, no arrests are made in the operation.
President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee T.N. Haukip sent wishes to the people of Meitei community on the auspicious occasion of Imoino. He wished the people peace, prosperity and good health. He also extended greetings for Gangai, the harvest festival of Zilaigrong community. Meanwhile, former Deputy Minister Gaikangam also extended greetings to the people of Meitei community on the occasion of Imoinu. May the occasion of Imoinu brings peace, prosperity and good health to the people of Manipur, the minister wished. He also wished the Zilaigrong community residing in Manipur, Assam and Nagaland on the occasion of the biggest harvest festival, Gangai. BB Mental Development Home in Mongsangai, Lairak of Imphal West District has been recognized as an aided home by the Cabinet. However, nothing has been put into action so far, as such thus affecting the management of the mental home. Talking to Tom TV News, principal of BB Paul Mental Home, T. Anita, said the mental home was functioning under the sponsorship of the ministry. However, it is currently facing various hardship in trying to manage the mental home due to irregularity in sponsorship. As such, T. Anita drew the attention of the authority concerned to look into the matter and solve the issues immediately. She also mentioned that she doesn't want to stage any form of protests in order to put pressure on the government to fulfill the demands.
Angangsing si amwana hotnazaraga ngasidi sarkar na khoi thabak ta onthok piraktaba asina ojasing gi awabada natana angangsing si kari karamba laibak oigadage khalubada khoi asuki mati wajadaba ngamde aduna yamna wajai aduna yaragadi ngasigi panbiba sarkar amadi official singna yamna athuba matamda khoi ojasing si gi amadi angangsing si gi yengbirakanda khoi gi government na edit oina lauthokibadu thabakta khoi onthok pinabagi damakta khoi hanna haizari.
As part of the observance of the birthday celebration of founder member of International Lions Club Melvin Jones, International Association of Lions Club District 322D observed the day with the theme Lions Rise Bag Challenge, in which Lions Club of Imphal and Imphal Valley distributed edible items to the BB Paul School for mentally handicapped persons in Mongsangai. Attending the observance, President of Lions Club of Imphal, R.K. Laksana, said the observance began from January 12 and will continue till January 16.
It is service to the humanitarian service. We are very much happy to serve in this home.
Lifeless body of a person was found dead in the lake at Phobakchau, Awang Laikai this morning. The deceased has been identified as MD Ibo. He had been missing since he stepped out from his residence yesterday and his dead body was discovered by the locals. Lamjingba Group, in collaboration with Assistant Director of Undergraduate Studies, Harvard University, Dr. Dominic Mao, started a 5-day integration program on the theme Program for Scientifically Inspired Leadership in Don Bosco, Chingmairong yesterday. A team of Harvard University interacted with interested assisting teachers and students on the opening day of the interaction program. During an exclusive meeting with our correspondent, PSIL Program Director Dr. Dominic Mao said the students of the state will be given a highlight on the learning system at the Harvard University during the 5-day interaction program. The experts of PSIL are going to emphasize more on the professional development during the interaction with the students. More than 60 students are taking part in the interaction.
Already Makoi program is underway. Sessions already chathare aduga aina pamisidi Manipur gi chhatra sing the Harvard ki classroom gi exposure ma piba aduga anytime you bring 3 groups of students together, especially tohan culture dagi, they learn a lot from each other. Harvard ki chhatra sing adagi akhoi gi Manipur dagi teaching assistant sing na same gi curriculum se makhoi na di takpirani akhoi gi school chhatra sing da ada makhoi na intern phangada basidi experiential learning ni aina pura iba team sidi education thawai yawa chhatra ngaktani handpicked tawraga purakpani.
Thongju Block Mahila Congress Committee has newly elected its officials. The newly elected officials are Okram Ramoni as President, Ningombam Ibetombi and Kangujam Santi as Vice Presidents, and the Treasurer as Neme Rakpram Sujata. Secretary Administration as Ningombam Bino, Ningombam Bidya as Organization Secretary, Thongam Dhamila and Ningombam Baby Meda as Secretary. The newly elected members will perform the different activities of Thongju Block Mahila Congress Committee until further notification. Now let's have a look at some of the sports news. In the morning match of the ongoing 8th state-level village-wise football tournament held in Haraura YMC ground of Kundrakpum constituency, which began from January 13, both Mangal FC and PIPC scored 1 goal each and ended in draw. In another match, Young Boy Tangkam beat Ngamba Huidrom by 3-1. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.
Arun Enterprises presents the 5th Amphimpa Cup 2019 9A-side football tournament only for film fraternity. Manipuri film da changes songjariba singtagi oiba football tournament. Lakliba January gi tang 10 dagi hauraga January gi tang 18 phauba Porompat near TV Tower manakta leiba Nesu ground da pangthok jaragani.
Yes to life, no to drugs. Fatta bachinjak singdagi lapthok lasi haina paujel puriba football tournament amani. Ireibak iram damsida lebiribak faipur mangna tournament asibu miyeng taba soidena lengbiro.
Welcome back. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma will meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday to discuss the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 and the coal issue in state. Sangma, who is leaving Delhi on Thursday, would interact first with Home Minister Rajnath Singh on Friday. The Chief Minister said the delegation would discuss several issues including exempting Meghalaya from the purview of the Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Act 1957, Coal Mines Nationalization Act 1973 and the National Games 2022. The Meghalaya Cabinet has already passed an official resolution opposing the Citizenship Amendment Bill. Coal mine accidents that have been rampant in the mountainous state for their unscientific rat hole mining habits caused 15 miners getting trapped in a flooded coal mine for over a month now in East Gentia Hills district. This was despite a National Green Tribunal imposed interim ban on the state since April 2004. The Supreme Court monitored rescue operation is aimed to taking out the trapped miners dead or alive. In a big jolt to 5 states, the Supreme Court has dismissed their pleas seeking modification of its order on selection and appointment of Director Generals of Police (DGPs). The Apex Court was hearing applications of various state governments including Punjab, Kerala, West Bengal, Haryana and Bihar, seeking implementation of their local news regarding selection and appointment of DGPs, and said UPSC, Union Public Service Commission, should not have a role. All the states had pleaded that police is a state subject. The top court on July 3rd last year had passed a slew of directions on police reforms in the country and chronicled the steps for appointment of regular DGPs. Minister for Science and Technology Dr. Harshvardhan has launched 2 new science communication platforms, DD Science and India Science, on January 15. DD Science is a joint initiative of Vigyan Prasar, an autonomous organization under the Department of Science and Technology and public broadcaster Doordarshan. It is a 1-hour slot on Doordarshan National Channel, which will be telecast from Monday to Saturday from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. Times Higher Education released data yesterday that 25 Indian institutions figure in the 2019 ranking of top 200 in 43 emerging economic countries, 7 more than the number that figured in last year's table. According to the data, the Indian Institute of Science retains the highest spot for India, 14th, followed by the Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay, 27th. However, each slips a place this year, mainly due to increased competition. They said the 2019 table presents a mixed picture for India, with several new entrants and high raisers alongside several institutions that dropped back. Hundreds of flights were cancelled at 8 German airports on January 15, including at the nation's busiest travel hub, Frankfurt, as security staff walked off the job in a deepening row over pay. Germany's powerful Verdi union said the strike would last from 2 a.m. until 8 p.m. at Frankfurt Airport, which walks out in Munich, Hanover, Bremen, Hamburg, Leipzig, Dresden and Erfurt. Following roughly the same schedule, at least 220,000 travelers were hit by the cancellations and delays. Now let's have a look at some of the top newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express.
10 hurt in anti-CIV rally. Chaos rule Khairamban Kaitel. Center may offer migrant shops if they settle outside Northeast. Peace talks. Kinaga group says no headway. To sensitize folks on CIV 2016. Student bodies line up public convention.
The People's Chronicle.
CIV raids continues. Intensify steer call given. Shops likely to migrants if they settle outside Northeast. Cabinet approves Population Commission job quota. Chief Minister alleges fear over CIV as BJP vows to address public concerns. 9 political parties unite against CIV.
Impal Free Press.
9 political parties hold meet and resolve to continue agitation till CIV is withdrawn. Says recommendation must be sent to Centre through State Assembly. Political parties must take an ambiguous decision on CIV 2016, say 6 students' bodies.
The Morning Bell.
Protests against Citizenship Amendment Bill escalates public convention on January 20. Protesters clash with police at Imakaitel, Mokvom hurl. Student bodies call for public convention on January 20. Will uproot BJP if bill not revoked, warns Socialist Students Union of Manipur. Escorted spirit tanker kills minor boy at Kangpopi district headquarters.
Before we wrap up the top stories once again. State government won't accept CA Bill 2016 unless assent to Manipur People's Bill is given, assures Chief Minister N. Biren. People from different sections of society come forward to raise voice against CA Bill 2016. And CCTV cameras to be installed at various places in Moreh to monitor thefts and other illegal activities. all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.
Thank you.